Dear students, in this topic we shall discuss the digestive enzymes for protein hydrolysis, that is proteases. Proteases are proteolytic enzymes which digest proteins. They break the peptide bonds of the proteins and polypeptides. There are two types of proteases. One are the endopeptidases and second are exopeptidases. The endopeptidases are the proteolytic enzymes which attack the peptide bonds within protein molecule. They break the larger peptide chains into shorter polypeptide segments. Exopeptidases attack the terminal peptide bonds of shorter polypeptides. As a result, they release either the free amino acids or break larger polypeptides into dipeptides or tripeptides. Dear students, proteases have specificity in their action. Their specificity to attack peptide bonds formed by particular amino acids is observable in many of famous digestive tract proteases. For example, trypsin attacks the peptide bonds formed by arginine और लाइसिन. यानी कि ये जो ट्रिप्सिन है ये सिर्फ ऐसे प्रोटीन के मॉलिक्यूल के ऐसे हिस्सों पर अटैक करती है जहां पर पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड आर्जिनिन या लाइसिन ने बनाया होता है. बेशक ये आर्जिनिन और लाइसिन से बना हुआ बॉन्ड डीप विद इन द प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल ही क्यों ना हो. इसी तरह से काइमोट्रिप्सिन है विच अटैक्स peptide bonds which are formed by amino acids tyrosine, phenylalanine, tryptophan, leucine and methionine. इन अमाइनो एसिड्स के अलावा बनाए हुए पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड्स पर काइमोट्रिप्सिन एक्ट नहीं करती. इट मीन्स कि इट इज स्पेसिफिक फॉर ब्रेकिंग these peptide bonds. Dear students, now we shall take few examples of proteases secreted in digestive juices of digestive tract. First we shall discuss pepsin. Pepsin is secreted in the gastric juice in stomach. It is the enzyme which begins protein digestion. It functions best in acidic pH ranging in between 1 and 2. This acidic pH is maintained by gastric hydrochloric acid. Pepsin hydrolyzes proteins into polypeptides and few free amino acids. Many proteases are also secreted in pancreatic juice. For example, trypsin, chymotrypsin, and carboxypeptidase. These enzymes yield a mixture of free amino acids and small peptide chains. Dear students, small intestine also produces some peptidases. These proteases are secreted by the epithelium. The most famous of these is the iripisin, which acts on polypeptides and hydrolyzes them into shorter oligopeptides which contain 2 to 3 amino acid residues, and then in the second step further breaks them into individual amino acids.